Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics Induction Cooktop 1600 watt. This is a 1600 watt induction cooktop that comes in this very basic Amazon Basics packaging. There is actually no information here outside manufacturer information, so I will just open this box and show you the induction cooker inside. So first up we have the user manual. This is the user manual for the Amazon Basics Induction Cooktop 1600 watt. The model number for this particular cooktop is Sky 1617A. There you can see a lot of information in this manual. This comes with safety instructions, product description. This particular diagram shows all the different elements, has all marked out, all different elements marked out. It also tells you what are the suitable cookware and cleaning, maintenance tips, etc. Everything that you need to know, even troubleshooting is written over here. As I mentioned earlier, model number is Sky 1617A. Rated voltage is 230 volts. Rated wattage is 1600 watts. And net weight is approximately 2 kilos. There's also warranty information given right over here as well. So this is the induction cooktop in question. The cooktop is not glass, it's actually ceramic. There's a ceramic hot plate right over here and has Amazon Basics written over here as well. This comes with this really thick 3-pin plug. There's a 15 watt plug. You will need a 15 watt power socket to run this particular device, this particular cooktop. Not just that, there are a lot of buttons at the on this section over here, this module. There's an LCD display that will display mostly the temperature or the timer. You can change the timer, you can start, play, pause, all of that over here. And over here you have different presets for different kind of cooking. One for heating milk, deep frying, making idli, curry, dosa, chapati, pressure cooker, everything. And this is of course your on-off button. As mentioned earlier, this is almost 2 kilos in weight and it's pretty thick as well. There you can see it's a very thick induction cooktop. Underneath you have this pretty massive fan and 4 anti-slip stops. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics Induction Cooktop 1600 watt. Model number is Sky 1617A. Thank you for watching.